play cards around me. Sit behind this bitch, I dog me. Hey, I went too good at math, on God, I run.
Yo, what's good with y'all boys, man? Today, we got Hurricane Wisdom, Need Me. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I was supposed to react to that other Hurricane Wisdom song. I just never got around to it. I ain't gonna lie. I've been kind of lazy these last 2 days because it was raining and bro, I was all over the place, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm sorry, bro. But today we got Hurricane Wisdom, Need Me. We finna see what he on. This just dropped. Hey, yeah, bro. Let's get straight into it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, join the family, bro. We on the road to 30 subscribers, bro. Let's get it. Let go, man. Let go. Whoa. Ain't that the Tiger beat? Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's the Tiger beat. So this nigga definitely finna slide, because this beat was tough when Tiger first dropped this with that song. Oh yeah. He definitely finna slide on this, bro. Come on. Yeah. Beat is overly tough.
Hey, pull up, lamb. She need me, but I need drink. Double 04, bitch, I got right. Keep my pole, she don't go straight. Yeah, fun, done it, I got fun, done it, I got paid. Ain't got no kids, but I still slide with done this baby Drake. Ain't too big, but wait till you see this shit gon' die, you think it's a game. Too gone, shit on top of my phone, and make niggas say no way. I made it today. I'm about to fly the stage, third time buzzing the play. I make bitch wait. I tell her I just got home, this third time buzzing the face. I tell her I just got grown, this third time behind the leg. Say go. I tell a bitch you can leave, I ain't never been one for a chase. She want more, nigga, you know she want more.
Yeah, I tell a bitch you could leave, I ain't never been one for a chase. Okay.
There you go. I tell a bitch you can leave, I ain't never been one for a chase. She want more, nigga, you know she want more. She done, she think I'm a bang. She need me, she think she need me. Oh God, this bitch don't think. She need me, but I need drink. Double 04, bitch, I got right. Keep my pole, she don't go straight. Yeah, fun, done it, I got fun, done it, I got paid. Ain't got no kids, but I still slide with done this baby Drake. Ain't too big, but wait till you see this shit gon' die, you think it's a game. Too gone, shit on top of my phone, and make niggas say no way. That's on my mind, only money. 2 L's, only hundreds. How down, in running. How then, count it back in.
This nigga, I ain't gonna lie. Put in the comments right now, gang. This nigga been on a run, bro. From he dropped Giannis, and like niggas start figuring out who he was and that. Gang, he been on, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I knew of him before he dropped Giannis. I'm gonna keep it real. I knew of him before he dropped Giannis, but ever since he dropped Giannis, gang, he been on a run, bro. Like Loki. If you go before that, if you go to songs before that, them songs was tough, bro. No cap, bro.
Back, yeah. That phone, pull back out. Don't bitch, this is blackout.
Hold up, what?
Too gone, shit on top of my phone, and make niggas say no way. That's on my mind, only money. 2 L's, only hundreds. How down, in running. How then, count it back in. That home, beat back, yeah. That phone, pull back out. Don't bitch, this is blackout. Stretch, how do you act? But shit ain't nothing. I spilled some drink, it was just some quay. You feel that? You just see quay. Ain't lost shit down where ain't no chase. I still go deal, spread out chase. I was some bread on shit in the change. Didn't know it was that. I'm the one who arranged. Craig gang got rich. So I was get a bank, nigga.
But I need drink. Yeah, bro. I like this one, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This nigga has been on a run since he dropped Giannis, bro. Put in the comments right now. And this song's tough, bro. From the intro, like W sample, bro. This song is tough. Hold on. Damn, I'm trying to record a video. What the heck? Anyway, bro. This is definitely tough game. No cap, bro. But don't forget to put in the comments what y'all think of the song Need Me. Yeah, but don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the channel. We on the road to 30 subs, bro. Subscribe, bro. Join the family. Join the gang. But with nothing else, I'm gonna catch y'all boys and I'll see y'all boys, man. Peace.